Hi everyone, my name is Kate Ordine and I'm an engineering manager in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and the founder of Developer First Leadership. When I first became an engineering manager, I really struggled with the shift from individual contributor to suddenly leading a group of people. And a lot of organizations don't address the fact that you are going from engineer to engineering manager is truly a career change. It's a transition from computer science to people science. And with that comes the need to learn new skills to be effective and confident leaders. Because what made you a great individual contributor is not necessarily going to make you a great leader. And the good news is that you can invest in strengthening your soft skills just as you would learn a new framework or technology. In this full day course with the No Fluff, Just Stuff virtual tour, we are going to cover topics relevant to engineering leaders, including purposeful leadership, time management and prioritization, role definition. So what does it mean to be a really effective and confident engineering manager? Understanding your own social style and how it may be perceived by others, and also how to adapt your social style to work best with others on your team. Having really great career conversations with engineers and giving feedback, one-on-ones, diversity and inclusion on our development teams, recruiting, interviewing, and onboarding, navigating the politics of management, how to be an authentic leader. This course is going to be a mix of lecture-style presentation with group exercises to help you practice these techniques and skills with situations from your existing roles. So it's going to be a full day workshop and you're going to leave with new perspectives on engineering management, as well as plenty of resources to stay connected and further develop your skills and confidence. So I really hope to see you there. Thank you so much.